Hello composers, Mike here. Would you like to add a third tool in both your sequencer and your piano roll editor of Logic Pro X? Well, let me show you right now. I will also give you a bonus tip in the end of this video. So what you want is to go from having two separate tools here in the sequencer, the left click and the command left click, and the same in the piano roll, left click and command left click, to having three tools like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me show you exactly how to do this. You simply go up to Logic Pro X, Preferences, General, then Editing here. And then here it says right mouse button, click here and change to is assignable to a tool. And now you get a third tool, which is the right click on your mouse button. Personally, I have it set on the scissor tool here, and you can have another version in the piano roll, which I have personally set to the velocity tool, so I can simply right click and change the velocity values really fast on the notes when I edit them. The only downside is that you can no longer access the menu here when you right click, because that is now assigned to a third tool. So now if you want to go to that menu, you simply hold down Control on your computer keyboard and then left click with your mouse, and now you get to this menu here. Now I also have a bonus tip for you if you use the velocity tool as your third tool here in the piano roll editor, which is that you can now quickly and easily set all notes that you want to the same velocity level. So let's say the kick drum here, you want it set on the same velocity. You can either select all here, or even simpler, just click here to select all the kick drums here on this key. And then you right click with your mouse, which is the velocity tool, hold down and then press Alt or Option and Shift. Option, Shift, now hold down and drag up or down, and you can see they changed. Now these are all the same velocity. You can click again and adjust what velocity you want them to be. Please like, share and comment on this video to support my channel, and I will see you in the next video, my friends. Subscribe now and watch a lot more videos on composing music, producing music, sound design, Logic Pro X and much more. I'll see you in the next video, my friends.